Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to explain how to calculate the linear meter required to clad this wall, excluding the door and the window. And the cover for the weatherboard is 160 millimeter from here to there. Okay, there are two methods to do that. The first method is, maybe the easiest one, is to calculate the linear meter required for 1 square meter and then find out the area in the wall excluding those windows and door and subtract them. So what I did in this case, divide 1 square meter divide by 0.16, which is 160 millimeter divided by 1000 into meter. So we get so many 6.25 linear meter per square meter. Then we find out the area required for that, which is 3.6. This is 3.6 times 28.76. So that's the whole area of the wall. And then multiply by that. This is by the required linear meter per square meter. Then this is the whole linear meter required if we didn't have a window or door. And then we have to obviously subtract those ones. So this is the area of the door, and that's the area of the window. Add them up, then multiply by how many linear meter required for per square meter. Then this is the value which we have to subtract from the total one, which is this one. Okay. The next method is to find out how many weatherboard we need to cover vertical line, which means divide this value 3600 millimeter divided by 0.6 by 160 millimeter. So what I did, divide 3.6 divided by 0.16, both in meters. So this is how many weatherboard I need to cover this vertical. Then obviously we have to multiply that by this length. Okay, and the same thing we do apply. How many weatherboard we need for this vertical, then multiply by 0.9, and how many linear meter we require for this length, then multiply by 2.1. So that's how you do that, and then add them up and subtract it. So this would be the total linear meter you require for the wall if there was no window and door. Then 2.4 is for the door, divided by 0.16, then multiply by 0.9, and the same 1.35 divided by 0.16 times 2.1, which is this length. And then we have to subtract these two values from the total value, which is this one. And this is the answers should be very close to each other. In this case, it came up exactly the same value, but it doesn't have to be exactly the same value. It could be different. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope it does help you to calculate this problem in future yourself. Thank you.